Well, Anaconda is probably one of the most popular ecosystem for artificial intelligence as well as data science. So to download this operating system or environment, all we need to do first is to go to anaconda.com. So here's the website and just enter this address, in the address bar, either using Google Chrome or Firefox. And then, we're on this website. And the Anaconda ecosystem operating system is a open source, mostly open source and free software operating system. And you can just go to the free download button, click it. You're going to be led to this distribution or download window here. But you have to provide email address to download distribution. So here, just enter either your work email address if you don't care about sharing that kind of information with Anaconda and etc. Or if you could use your own personal email account like Gmail or Yahoo or other email address. You enter your email address, you hit submit, and Anaconda are going to send you email and to your email account with a link, and just click that link, and the rest of it is just pretty natural. Just click and click and click and download, and you should be able to install Anaconda ecosystem. After we install Anaconda operating system for artificial intelligence, we can pull it up, and here is what it looks like. We have a couple, kind of options here, from home, environment, learning, community, and we have a battery of softwares available. I haven't tried each one of them, but I would say all of them are free and open source. For example, here we have Spider. This is an IDE, the integrated development environment for Python. We also have our studio here. The one thing actually I like pull your attention to is Jupyter Notebook, whereby we can create dynamic reports for Python and for R.